Today's day number 10 of the $1,000 account challenge, and I am down $1 in the account. I had some really good trades, but I muffed one. So one win, two losses, down $1. Risk was managed not bad, could be a lot worse. Here's what happened. Tesla, long idea above $260. This opens up and runs, just absolutely takes off. Knowing how Tesla is historically, when it starts running like this, it usually continues to run. And so I was looking for a further dip entry down to about 261 to get a closer entry to my trigger level at 260 to mitigate the risk. That didn't happen. I never got the further dip. So what I decided to do was adjust, market buy the breakout on the run up to and through the high of day. But I was trading TSLL instead of TSLA, which is a double leveraged bullish ETF for Tesla. And the reason why I decided to trade TSLL was because the contracts on Tesla are expensive. They're like $600, $700, $800 a piece at the money. With my $1,000 account challenge, I can't trade those contracts because I would be over leveraged. So when I bought TSLL and I caught this move from here to here, it was only a 10% gain, which was a $10 profit. Contracts just weren't really moving, while the contracts at the money on Tesla would have been up 20 to 25%. Now, I know in hindsight, you're like, well, Gates, why didn't you just hold, right? Because the stock continued to run. I had no idea that in real time, it was going to make a $15 run today. I had no idea. I'm a sucker for taking profits. The contracts weren't moving the way that I wanted them to, and so I just went ahead and booked it for the day. Now, this was great. Good trade. I wasn't overly upset about it. Where I messed up was on NVIDIA. I took two trades on NVIDIA, and both of them would have worked out had I held, but I kept the stop loss too tight and my entries weren't the best. What I was looking for on NVIDIA, 5-minute time frame, was a break of this downtrend trend line, which we got, and the higher highs, which we got. 1-minute time frame, the mood today has been market by these breakouts. AMD took off and ran, Tesla took off and ran, and if you're not market buying those breakouts, you're missing the moves. So on NVIDIA, I was like, maybe this is going to take off and run. Let me market buy these breakouts. On the green candles I bought here and here. Both times after I bought, the stock dipped. Had I just bought the dip rather than the rallies, I would have been green. So had I bought the dip here, I would have caught that rally. Had I bought the dip here, I would have caught that rally. But instead, because I chose to market buy the green candles on the higher highs, as opposed to dip buy the red candles on the higher lows, I get stopped out when this turns around for a $5 loss there and a $5 loss here. I make the decision not to go back in on NVIDIA, which cost me that $10 profit. So I'm down after commissions $1.05 on the day. So that brings our total portfolio balance to $1,067.42. It's just a break-even day, just a washout day. What I'm really proud of is that the risk was managed. What I'm not proud of is the entries that I took on NVIDIA. I just would have been better off not taking this trade at all and just walking away with the $10 profit from Tesla. But I'm human. I make mistakes too, and this is proof of it. I'm always going to be transparent with you in the account challenge, and not every day is going to be a green day. I did trade live with the team though, and I took a poll. I said, if you're green or red or no trades today, how'd you do? 38 members voted that they were green. Only 11 voted that they were red, with 15 no trades. So still really good results from the team for their account challenges, but I just wound up going back in and giving my profits away. So we'll learn from it. We'll come back sharper tomorrow and try to take advantage of some other opportunity if it's presented then. By the way, if you would like to join the $1,000 account challenge, it's not too late. Start at any time with any amount. The link to join is going to be in the description of this video. You have to sign up to the WAP to get access to the Discord server, but it's $25 a week. The goal with the account challenge is also $25 per week. And if I can't help you learn something that's worth $25 per week, or if I can't help you make $25 per week, then what am I even doing as a mentor? So if you're interested, I'm just asking you for the opportunity to help take you from the trader that you are to the trader that you want to be. Again, the link is in the description of this video, and I'll see you tomorrow when we continue the $1,000 account challenge. Cheers.